How to delete Brawl Stars account. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete Brawl Stars account either because you're no longer playing or for privacy reasons. Follow the steps below. Keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent, and once deleted, you will lose all your progress, purchases, and trophies associated with the account. First things first, launch the Stars app. From the main menu, tap the gear settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, scroll down and select help and support. This will open a page with support options. Scroll down until you see the contact or option or support. Choose the option that allows you to contact Supercell directly. You will likely to need to select a category that fits your reason for contacting them, that is account deletion. Write a message to Supercell support stating that you want to permanently delete your Brawl Star account. Make sure to mention any details that may require, such as the account link to Supercell ID or the Google Play iTunes account. After sending the request, Supercell will respond. They may ask you to confirm your identity or provide additional information. Confirm your request for deletion when prompted. Once Supercell processes your request, they will permanently delete your Brawl Stars account. This can take a few days.